Hi guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog. For today's recipe, it is triple chocolate cream cheese cookies with added old-fashioned oat in it. You can substitute it with instant oatmeal, or if not instant oatmeal, you can use steel cut oat or even omit it. But I like adding old-fashioned to these cookies, and the boys love it so much. It is so simple to prepare, and they are good for lunchbox, school lunchbox. Check out the full video, and I'll see you soon again. Bye! Mix 1/4 cup or 1.5 cup of flour with half teaspoon of baking powder and set to side. So we're gonna cream half cup of butter unsalted with half tub of cream cheese spread, half tub. So this is 220 gram, I believe, 220 gram, but we're using only half of that tub. Again, we're gonna cream this. Now we're gonna add in or beat in 3/4 cup of sugar. Now we're gonna crack an egg and then mix it again until just combine. Now mix in dry ingredients a little at a time, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. Now add in 1 handful of white chocolate chips and 1 handful of milk chocolate chips and 3 handful of dark baking chocolate chips, no sugar added, as well 2 handful of old-fashioned rolled oats. We're just gonna mix it, wrap the bowl with cling wrap, and now we're gonna chill it for, I'd say half hour is enough, but I want to chill it for 1 hour because I'm still using the oven for baking other things. So again, chill it for 30 to 60 minutes. After 30 to 60 minutes resting, scoop with cookie scoop and drop, or you can drop to parchment lined baking pan, or you can shape it into round. It's up to you. Like so, if you want to round them, but again, you can just drop them off. I will make 2 types. One is roll round like balls, and the other one I will just scoop and drop it on the baking pan like so. You can press this a little bit, but a little bit flatten, but no need to flatten, just tiny bit. But now we're gonna bake them at preheated 375 Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes depending on your oven. You want to keep checking because this is cream cheese, they are browning quickly. And for the ones that I didn't shape brown, I also press it down a little, not too flat, just tiny bit. Take out from the oven and let cool on the pan for 5 minutes before moving to cooling rack.